2026. Watch out for NXT 2027 in March of next year. With that, it is my proud privilege to invite the Honorable Lieutenant Governor to make his Chief Guest address. Sir.
My good friend Kartikeya Sharma, Dr. Aishwarya, Smriti ji, members of the organizing committee, distinguished guests, awardees, speakers and panelists. The progress of any society is reflected in the progress of its women. Across India today, women are leading change in every sphere of national life, serving in our armed forces, driving scientific innovation, building enterprises, strengthening institutions, excelling in sports and the arts, and contributing to governance and public life. Their achievements continue to redefine aspirations for future generations. As our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji has said, India's Nari Shakti is the cornerstone of nation building. Our mothers, sisters and daughters are enhancing the pride of Maa Bharati with their amazing talent and skills in every field. This vision represents a significant evolution in India's development journey. Women are not merely participants in the nation's progress, they are principal architects. As India moves towards the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, the leadership and aspiration of women will play an increasingly decisive role. The Shakti Awards celebrate this spirit. The remarkable women honored today come from diverse walks of life, yet share a commitment to excellence, resilience, and service. Their journeys remind us that true leadership is measured not only by personal success, but by the positive impact created in the lives of others. I extend heartfelt congratulations to every awardee for inspiring society through dedication and achievement. Today's conclave also highlights an issue of profound national importance, that's women's health. Empowerment cannot be complete without good health. Access to quality healthcare enables women to pursue education, careers, entrepreneurship, and leadership with confidence and dignity. Investing in women's health is therefore an investment in stronger families, stronger communities, and a stronger nation. Among the many health challenges confronting our society, breast cancer has emerged as one of the most significant challenges. The encouraging reality is that when detected early, it is highly treatable. This makes awareness, regular screening, and timely diagnosis critical components of public health strategy. In this regard, I commend the Namo Shakti breast cancer screening mission for combining innovation with compassion. By using AI-enabled non-invasive screening technology and mobile units, the mission is making preventive healthcare more accessible, particularly for women with limited access to timely screening. Its collaboration with ASHA workers, Anganwadi workers and community networks, strengthens awareness and encourages early invention. India's healthcare landscape is undergoing a transformation through greater emphasis on preventive care, digital health, and expanded access to quality medical services. Technology is becoming an important partner in this journey. AI, artificial intelligence, digital diagnostics, and data-driven healthcare have the potential to improve early detection, strengthen delivery, and bridge gaps in access, particularly in underserved areas. Combined with skilled professionals and compassionate care, these innovations can significantly improve outcomes. As we celebrate women's achievements today, let us reaffirm our collective responsibility to build an environment where every woman has the opportunity to realize her full potential. Governments, healthcare institutions, civil society, industry, and community organizations must continue working together to expand opportunities, strengthen healthcare, promote safety, and ensure that no woman is left behind. We must also remember the millions of women who contribute silently every day: mothers, caregivers, farmers, workers, teachers, entrepreneurs, and community leaders. Their contributions form the foundation of our society. India's progress story today is increasingly being written by women, from scientists contributing to space missions, officers protecting our nation, entrepreneurs creating businesses, to grassroots workers strengthening communities. Women are not just participants in India's development journey, they are leading it. I hope today's discussions will inspire greater awareness, stronger partnerships, and renewed commitment towards building a healthier, more inclusive, and empowered India. Thank you. Jai Hind.